Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Mr. Sonquist, and I just posted the week 3 first assignment. Now this is actually the first assignment, first day of fourth quarter. So the first day is going to be easy, and then I'm going to drop some more assignments as the week goes. But I just want to show you a couple of things. First, I've got a Google Meet set up. Maybe some of you have done this with your teachers already, but during my office hours, which are 11 to 1 every day, you can click on this link. Then it's going to ask you to type in this little code right here. And I'll be hanging out there. We can chat, we can catch up, I can help you with some assignments, whatever. So it's a chance for us to connect, maybe see some other students in there, and that's it. Okay, so now for the first assignment. Go to classwork. And this week we're going to be working on light and sound, mission 3, sound matters. First assignment is called the ear. Some of you might have watched this video already. Watch it again because the instructions are to watch it, take some notes during the video, and then make your own drawing of an ear, including the parts that you saw in the video. And I said own because some of you have been finding some really cool pictures on the internet, which is awesome. But for this one, I really want you to put your own drawing in there. Here's how you're going to do it. Open up the assignment. Then you're going to click Add or Create. Then go all the way down here to Drawings. And this is a Google drawing. Some of you might have done this, some maybe not. Then you can draw your picture on a piece of paper, just like you always have. Open up your drawing. And then, just like always, you can use the Insert, Image, and Camera button. And then, take a nice picture of what you drew. Remember to use a marker after you've done all the pencil stuff so that you can have the most clear picture. So that's one option. The other option is to actually use these tools in Google Draw and draw an ear. I'm just going to try to draw. There's that ear. That's the beginning of an ear. Now yours is going to be way better because you're going to make it and you're going to spend some time doing it. That's all there is to it. Once you're done with it, you'll just close it. That thing's sitting right there. If you want to work on it again, click it and boom, there it is. So you don't have to click share. Don't share it. It's already attached to your assignment. When you're done, click turn it in. If you're like, oh, maybe I just want to watch that ear thing one more time. Oh, I totally forgot a part of the ear. Oh, just press unsubmit. Unsubmit. And then you can keep working on your drawing. Okay? So I want you guys to do your best this week. Really go for like the gold medal on awesome drawings. This is just the day 1 assignment, just one thing to do for the first day, and then I'm going to drop in some more videos, a couple more activities, some really interesting ways to solve the problems that you all noticed about describing sounds. It's kind of tricky to say exactly what a sound is like. We're going to try to solve that this week. All right, everybody, see you on the internet.